a sunset view. I'll make it so you're gonna want to. Get your arms involved with me. I'm the rebel when I get on TV.
Hey guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Ignore my pimple cream and this mess in the background. Today is Sunday, February 3rd, 4th. I don't know what day it is. I'm gonna be vlogging a little day in my life today. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know the tragedy that happened to me this week. I was filming a college week of my life, and then Wednesday night I went to an event in the city and ended up losing my vlog camera. I think in the Uber coming back, I left it in the seat, and I called the Uber and everything, and he said he couldn't find anything and that he had like passengers in there since me, so it's gone forever. And I was really sad about it. One, because I had to buy a new camera, and two, because I lost all of that footage from this week. So yeah, that's why there hasn't been a new video this week yet, but we're back. I bought a new camera. There's a siren outside. Anyway, so I bought the same camera that I had before, the Canon G7X, and we're back in action. So I thought I'd vlog a little day in my life today, give you guys some apartment updates. It's a mess right now because we've been building more furniture. As you can see, this is my bed frame. I still haven't built my bed frame. Yesterday we got a U-Haul and got all the furniture that we hadn't taken over yet, so now it's like messy because we're putting it all together. But like, we put our couch together yesterday and our like coffee table. We have our TV stand now. We got Wi-Fi yesterday, so we were able to like set up the TVs. There's a lot of updates to give you, but I want to like clean it first and finish putting my bed together. So that's my first task of the day. It's like 9 a.m. right now. I've just been like chilling this morning. Woke up at like 7:30 and just like had my coffee and breakfast, and I've been like watching some YouTube videos, and now it's time to get the day started. Also, we're having like some people over tonight for the Super Bowl, so we have to like clean for that. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna finish building the bed. Ben was helping me yesterday, well, kind of like doing it for me, and then we like messed up one thing and then got frustrated and gave up, so now I'm gonna finish it. Hopefully it doesn't take much longer. Alright, so I finished building my bed. I'm washing my sheets right now, so I can't make it yet. But I also moved all of this stuff over here, so like this space is gonna be a lot more open. I want to get like a cute little accent chair or something to go like over here, but I don't know what yet. So if you have any recommendations, send them to me. But yeah, this is gonna be my little like beauty station. So I have like my everyday makeup in here, not every day, but like most of my makeup in here. And these are all empty right now because I just brought this over yesterday, so I'm gonna start putting stuff away. I have like a container over here of like extra makeup and like random stuff, so I'm gonna work on organizing all of this. Okay, so drawer tour. I just went through all of these and somewhat organized them. Focus. Okay, so this top drawer, I have all of my like lip products. So these are like liquid lips here, and then these are like glosses and some pencils, and then like lipsticks. MAC Velvet Teddy and Too Faced Lip Injection are in here because those are like the only ones I actually use all the time. So yeah, but then everything else is in here, and then I also just put some lashes over here. Then second drawer is just like more random makeup that I probably like never will use, but I just can't get rid of for some reason. So like, I don't know, some little sample primers, some like eye makeup stuff, These are like eye shadows and pigments, blushes, highlights, my Nivea Men Post Shave Balm, which I never really use anymore, but that used to be like my ride or die primer. Just some random things in there. This drawer is all of my palettes, so eyeshadow palettes, like Anastasia contour kit. And then this drawer is my face masks. So these are all sheet masks, and then a few other things over here. Then this drawer, I have like some nail stuff, even though I never do my own nails, but I just have like nail polish remover, and then some like random little free samples of stuff. Then next drawer is a little bit empty, but I just have my Loving Tan self tanner in here, some lotion, and like random body products. This drawer is my backups drawer, so like all this stuff I've bought for when I run out, but I'm just keeping it in here for now. This drawer is empty right now, but I have a purpose for it. I just need to get some stuff from home first. And then this bottom drawer is all of my like cosmetic bags and travel bags and whatnot. So yeah, those are my IKEA Alex 9 drawers, all filled up. I still have space to put stuff, which is good in case I get more stuff. Now I'm going to like deep clean my apartment right now because there's like stuff all over the floor. I'm gonna vacuum, I'm gonna Swiffer and do the dishes so that this place is clean. So here's a little cleaning montage. Alright guys, so the apartment's looking pretty clean. I'm just waiting for my sheets to finish drying so I can make my bed, but other than that, it's looking good. So my friends are coming over in a little, so I'm gonna start getting ready and just change and not look like this anymore. Look at the sky right now. Beautiful sunset. Oh, love it. Okay guys, so my friends are on their way over. Sorry if it's really loud in the background, it's just the dryer going. But we're just gonna watch the Super Bowl. We're gonna watch the Super Bowl. I don't know if we're really gonna watch it, but like order food and stuff and just chill here. But I thought I would give you guys like a little apartment update kind of tour in this video because a lot has changed since the last vlog. So I just wanted to update you guys. It's definitely not like finished yet, but it's getting there for sure. So in the last video, my living room was completely empty, but now it's almost fully furnished. So we got a couch. This is actually my parents' old couch from the basement. They gave it to us, which was really nice because couches are expensive, so thanks mom and dad. But this couch is from IKEA, and it's really great because this piece at the bottom slides out and then like pushes up, so it becomes a full like pull-out bed. So if either of us ever want to have friends come over, they can stay like on this pull-out couch or whatever. And then this piece also like pops up. So I just have like a blanket in there now, but it's just nice because it's like extra storage. So yeah, love this couch. And then I just have some decorative pillows on there for now. I'm probably gonna switch this up, and then I just like threw a blanket over there. So nice having a couch. And then I need to get some like art prints to put up on the wall. Then this rug is temporary. It's actually like an old rug that I used to have in my room at home, but I'm gonna give it to Ben because I don't really want it anymore and he needs a rug for his room. And I just put it out here for now until I order a rug for out here. I definitely want something bigger because like there's all this floor space over here, and just something with like a cozier feel, and I think I'm gonna do like a lighter color. So yeah, this rug is just temporary, but it doesn't look that bad out here honestly. And then this coffee table is from Wayfair. It has like a white marble like finish to it, but it's not like real marble. It's like just like a cheap like, I don't know. But I thought it looked nice, and it has like the silver hardware to match in with like the rest of the furniture. So yeah, and then I just put like a candle and some coffee table books on there for now. Definitely want to decorate this more and get like some more accent-y decor for that. And then we have the TV stand over here. I was just watching Shane Dawson's conspiracy theory video, so that's what that is. But right now we don't have like a TV stand, like the actual stand part. So the TV is just leaning against the wall right now, and I just put my printer there to like hold it up. But the TV stand is from Wayfair as well, and it's nice because it has like some drawers that are big and fit lots of stuff. Yeah, that's like an overview of the living room. And then over here I built my desk. There's like not much going on there right now. This like top shelf is where I'm gonna have my printer once I don't need it holding up the TV. And then I just have like a basket down there to hold some stuff. So yeah, I still need to get an office chair. We don't have a chair yet. But yeah, and then I'm gonna put some stuff on the wall and just kind of decorate this space too. And then I think I showed this in my last vlog, maybe not actually, but I got these 3 bar stools from Target so that we have a place to eat. And here's what the kitchen's looking like. It's all clean right now, but I just have like the blender over here. I bought this, it's like an electric kettle, and so far I've been using it a lot to make tea and stuff, so I love that. And then we have a toaster, the Keurig, stove, and then these like utensils over here. The bathroom, I'll show you the bathroom because it's looking so cute. I have this whole pink vibe going on in the bathroom. I think unless you go into Ben's room, like you would not know that a boy lives here. It's like so girly, but I love it. So this is like the little shower setup I have going on. What's this called? Bath mat is from Urban Outfitters. And then I got this little like cart from Target because I've always wanted one of these like bath carts. I just think they look super cute. I still need to finish decorating it, but right now I have all this pink stuff on it. So I have a Bath & Body Works candle, this like Loving Tan bronze shimmer thing, and then I have these little Soap & Glory products that I got at an event this week. And then I got these 2 pink hand towels from World Market. Yesterday I had the candle going and like the lights off, and it just looked so cute in here. And then I kind of already showed you guys my room before. My bed's still not made because the sheets are still in the dryer, but yeah, this is kind of the overview. I put my mirror over here and then the rest of my furniture over there. And I need to get something for like the wall. My closet's looking the same. And yeah. Anyway, so far the apartment life is great. I'm loving it. I'm having so much fun just like decorating it and furnishing it. It's definitely a lot of work, but it's worth it. My friends are coming over now. We're gonna order food and just chill. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Ordering the goods. We love the Super Bowl. Game day.
I'm going for the Incredibles.
Mm-hmm. Always the Patriots.
Really?
When in doubt, it's the Patriots, and they're gonna win.
Yeah, they're definitely gonna win. Maybe it's fun if like you bet on something so you can win money.
Miss Boy.
The thing is, he wants us to bring you too.
Hey.
Go, 50 in the house, bounce. Y'all already know what I'm about. The flow sounds sick over Dre drums, nigga. I ain't stupid, I see that. Then my dope come quicker, whoa.